Some people rape for ritual purposes.
Anybody that does that should be killed.
Some rape for fun.
The psychological effect on the person at that moment it's really bad.
The men where they rape, you go make them kill them at once.
Hello, I'm Daddy Flo of Africa. Today on DFA Studios, we'll be touching a very delicate issue, rape. We live in a wicked world where some wicked people feel to get what they want, they need to be forceful. Some of these useless people rape kids. Some of them rape dead bodies. And some of them even rape animals. The problem we have is our society. The society forgets easily. Once a rape case comes up, everyone is suddenly interested. But once something else starts trending, boom, we are back to our usual activity. Who cares? You start hearing, it will change now. Is it not just one time? Who knows what the girl was wearing? Are we normal? Are we normal? So today on the street, I'll be asking people, what do you think is the best penalty for rape? And do you think the society is doing enough? This video is powered by Culture Communications. I still remain Florin YP. Let's find out from people on the street. Hi, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
How market they go today?
Thank God.
Okay, mama, we want to talk about very sensitive matter, rape. When you hear say they rape person or person rape person, how you dey do you for body?
I feel disgusting, I feel irritated, like it sounds somehow because the trauma people go through, it's unbearable.
Rape itself is an absurd thing, so anybody that does that should be killed.
The psychological effect on the person at that moment it's really bad.
Báwo lèyàn ti wà tó yá pé èèyàn lè tó sí wá pé èèyàn máa lọ rẹ́pù ni èèyàn tó bá rẹ́pù rẹ̀ ní ká tó pa àbí ká lọ yẹgi fún dànù.
My own sister, they are raping daughter, 50 years old man. He raped a 11 years old girl. But it's
50
not
years old, rape 11 years old.
Yes. How much?
Mama, sell market, ma, sell market. Oh my God! Oh Lord Jesus! Blood of Zachariah! 50. Mama, where's the man? Where's the man?
They take the man to the jail, final jail. They lock him now. Up to now, the man is in the cell now.
How many years ago did it happen, ma?
Last this 2 weeks. I mean 3 weeks ago now.
3 weeks ago.
Yes.
Which area?
Alaguto.
And the man is in prison. Jail, abi, cell.
Prison.
Prison, go.
Yes.
That is the matter got to court.
Yes.
Good. More people like that will be jailed.
Àwọn ya wèrè nìyẹn tiẹ̀ because yóò bá ya wèrè ní ìbòsí pọ́n gbèrè gara yìí òbó fígò wa 300 wà bó bá yẹ fẹ́ sí ní ọ̀fẹ́ ń gbàlà òbó 200 gan bẹ̀ ó wà 200 ọ̀fẹ́ ń gbàlà ọlọ́run bó ló fẹ́ sí ọ̀fẹ́ ń gbàlà náà ilé ìwé bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá mú wéyẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n lọ dé padà bí wọ́n dorí ẹ̀ kodò ọlọ́run yẹn wọ́n lọ pa ni ọlọ́run yẹn lọ pa ara láyé ó ti ẹ̀rí ìbò yẹn wọ́n lọ pa ni ọlọ́run ẹjẹ́ ni aláwọ̀ yẹn wọ́n lọ pa ni òbó ti pọ́n gbèrè náà sẹ́yìn ọkùnrin kan níyàwó mẹ́rin ní márùn-ún mẹ́fà èmi gan ni mo jọ́ mọ́ kékeré lásán rárá mo ní tó mẹ́jọ kí ni wọ́n bá kiri kí wọ́n lásán mú rárá mo ní mẹ́jọ mẹ́sàn kí ni wọ́n bá ká ibi tó pọ̀ tó ń béèrè orí ẹ̀ ti yí kò mọ tó ṣe ni ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ti yé ẹ̀wọ̀n lọ pa tọ́pà yá.
When you are raped, that occurrence will never go off your mind. But anytime you remember that incident that took away that pride, you know, virginity is a pride. Once it is gone out of you, you wouldn't be that same person. It will take the grace of God to take it off your mind.
Okay, do you think the society is doing enough to reduce the rate of rape?
I don't think so.
Why?
I don't think so because after hearing about the news, like weeks or a month, we won't even know anything again. Maybe they gave justice or not, so we don't know. So that's why I said just dead by anger.
I think the society is not doing enough. I will tell you that some people rape for ritual purposes. Some rape for fun. Some rape because they are alcoholic. Some rape for many reasons. So there are many reasons. So me, I felt that any human being that will go to the extent of raping, you know, especially a teenager, I think such a human being is is evil.
No, not enough. I think people have to be educated. Both the wealthy and people that are illiterate, they still tend to like shield the rapists. Like they still tend to shield the
identity.
Yes, the identity. Sometimes even both it could be the father or the brother or a relative, it could be a sister or something. So because of that, trying to build a family, or maybe the person is richer than
rape.
Yes, than the victim. So lots of things. There's some people because of I don't want to know that my child was raped. So they tell to keep quiet, or some people don't want to talk about it.
Okay, what do you think about all these ones that rape cases that the family members will say, oh, we cannot talk about it. It's your uncle. Who? Is your daddy? Is your this thing? We cannot. Let's just cover it up. It will not happen. What do you feel about that?
ó yọ pa méjì ni tó bá mú bàbá ẹ̀ gan ó yẹ wọ́n lọ kó pa wọ́n ni.
Àti ìyá tó sọ pé
àti ìyá gan ó yẹ wọ́n lọ kó pa wọ́n ni.
ok kí wàá ló yẹ káwọn òbí máa ṣe láti jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé private party ààrẹ lélẹ̀ kò yẹ kẹ́nì kankan lè fọwọ́ kan bó ṣe wù.
ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ó dípẹ́ lọ́wọ́ bí kálukú bá ṣe tọ́mọ ẹ̀ ó ti yé òbí tó bí bá tọ́mọ ẹ̀ dáadáa ọmọ ẹ̀ náà máa rìn eré tó bí ó bá tọ́mọ ẹ̀ dáadáa iná ló máa fa irú level tó wáyé yẹn.
There's nothing like your uncle. Anybody that wants your life being put aside, that wants a dent in your life doesn't deserve a second chance,
If I come back from market, I say I come back from market, my picking tell me say, Mommy, see this boy, see this man, the way he play with me, I don't like him. I'll go give him one and say, no play that can't play with my picking. This picking never reach for that can't play. I'll give him a serious one and make you no try him again. If you see my shot, go say, this mama, I know if you enter in picking. Because some go say na line, I go come like mama sorry na play, don't be play in me now. You want na so you go just sometimes go give her money, go buy something for na so you go do am before you know na you don't like no small pikin dey like money.
Kò lẹ́tọ̀ o, wọ́n pa àwa náà ni, àbí gbáwa náà lọ gbógun jẹ fúnra rẹ̀.
It's a crazy world. It's a wicked world. You heard the experience from that woman that her sister's daughter was raped. An 11-year-old girl was raped by a 50-year-old man. Oh, will people ever stop? For more videos like this, don't forget to click on the notification button, subscribe, like and share this video with your friends, enemies and families. But most importantly, make sure you send this video to someone that you know is always touching all those jobless brothers in the area and all those jobless sisters. No, rape is bad. Thanks for choosing DFA Studios. I still remain your mother's favorite feature son-in-law, Florin YP. And this video is powered by Culture Communications. Odigba,